In this guide, I'll show you how to lower ping and fix lag on your Nintendo Switch 2. So the first thing I recommend you do is power cycle your home network. So unplug your modem and or router for 30 to 60 seconds. Then you want to plug it back in and play some games on your Switch 2 to see if there's any improvement. The next thing we're going to do is go to System Settings on the home screen, then scroll down to Internet and scroll over, and we're going to go to Internet Settings. Now after a couple seconds, your Wi-Fi network should pop up. However, I actually recommend you use a wired connection over Wi-Fi, as that's going to provide a more fast, stable internet. Now, if you're set on using Wi-Fi, select your Wi-Fi network, and we're going to go to Change Settings. Now, ideally, your Nintendo Switch 2 is as close to your router as possible to ensure you're getting the best connection with your Wi-Fi. Now, by default, your DNS settings will be set to automatic, so we're actually going to change this to manual and use a custom DNS. So in this example, we're going to be using the Google DNS. So under the primary DNS IPv4, you want to type in 8.8.8.8 and then select OK. And under the secondary DNS, erase all the numbers, and we're going to type in 8.8.4.4. Then you want to scroll over and select Save to ensure you can connect to the internet, and you want to test out these new internet settings to see if there's any improvement. If this guide was helpful, like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.